clothes are fine, but your attitude needs a prescription.
Oh my, did that bird just...
If laughter's the best medicine, I just cured this whole floor.
Somebody give the bird a diploma.
Dr. Crackup at your service.
You call this a briefing? Looks more like a caffeine convention. Half of you look so tired, even the IV bags are judging you.
Oh no! I died! I can't breathe!
Strong breath.
Shh, everyone's asleep, including you. I've seen more energy in expired batteries